Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Clean out any debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1060 filter into the frame. Push the top and bottom edges down until they are under the tabs. This will help the filter lay straight. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing frame. Reinstall the glove box door. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.